I feel like this hair look like I got secrets and I handle business, okay?
It's giving Olivia Pope.
Yeah.
It's handled. Yes.
That's what it's giving.
Yeah, it is.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Wynne. And if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I would do my hair straight out of the box to go out the house. There's a lot of wigs that say they come ready to install, but when I tell you today's sponsor is ready to install, she comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it has a fake scalp so you don't have to do a ball cap method. So I was in love with her. So if you want to see how I got this look in less than 30 minutes, then go ahead and keep watching. If this your first time meeting me, don't judge me based off this encounter, okay? I normally look real put together, but I'm about to go to the gym. I'm looking quite crazy at the moment. I actually have my hair like braided in the back for wigs, and I'm about to go to the gym because your girl is on her fitness journey, baby. Trying to get slim, thick-a-roni. So I need to have something on my head because I'm not about to go to the gym like this. I go to a super cute gym and I want to feel super cute in there, okay? As I was stressing because I have to leave out in literally 15 minutes, I was like, what wig can I just put on right out the bag without having to think too much? And my girl Hairvivi for the win. I love their wigs. They come pre-bleached. They come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, ready to go. As you can see, I'm in shambles. So let's get into it because like I said, I have to leave out in 15 minutes, but literally it's so possible with their hair. I'm not even worried about it. Let's unbox her. First of all, the box is so cute. Look at like the little, I'm gonna end up being late. I'm gonna end up being late trying to look at the details. Okay, this is our box. It came with these tapes. These are their True-scalp tapes. It pretty much makes it to where you don't really need to do the bald cap method. It blends seamlessly with your skin and it almost fills in the grid to give it a very skin-like appearance. So we got our skin tapes. I'm in the color Cappuccino. I'm like a medium brown olive skin tone. So that's my color, Cappuccino. I'll show you these in a second. And then it comes with this cute little care card. And we got some goodies. I don't know what this is. Ooh. I keep these little baggies to use when I'm traveling, but we got a little edge brush with a comb attachment. It look a little fancy, honey. I love that. And then I cannot get enough of these clips. I know I said I wasn't gonna overdo it, but look at this packaging, y'all. Like, why is it so cute? Okay, so this is the wig that I'm about to go ahead and pop on. It's a 14-inch Yaki wig and it comes pre-curled. So like I said, literally I'm gonna pop this baby on and be out the door. I'm actually gonna go to a coffee shop and get a little bit of work done after I go to the gym. If I was just gonna go to the gym, I might throw a scarf on and call it a day, but because I wanna go to a coffee shop after, you know, I kinda wanna be cute or whatever. So this is she. How cute. Pre-curled, plucked to literal perfection. Like, girl. So she's 14 inches, 160% density, and she has an HD lace in the color Cappuccino as well. I got the Capsize medium, and now that I'm looking, she actually came with a fake scalp, so I won't actually need to use the true skin tapes on this wig. It's like it already has a wig cap installed on the inside, and it's the perfect color because I picked it when I checked out, so she's cute. I have a $30 off coupon down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and pick this wig up as well, but I'm about to get into the install. I'm probably not going to talk too much because like I said, baby, I'm in a rush, and at this point I got all of 10 minutes to get out the door. So let me show you guys what I would do to install this wig right out of the box. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. I need to cut the tag off first. Child, where are my scissors? So before we can actually pop the wig on, because that's gonna be the easy part, I need to do something with this hair. I like to braid my hair along the sides and the back, but leave out quite a bit of, you know, leave out at the top because I like to be able to switch my hair up a lot. So when I have a lot of leave out up top, I can do V parts, I can braid it and do a frontal. You know, I just have a lot more options without having to completely re-braid my hair every time I want to switch up my style. So it just works a lot better for me. So since I kind of brushed my hair going straight back, I don't have time to do like a braid down, but we about to make it do what it do, honey. I'm taking a little bit of Got to Be Glued gel Okay, so I just slicked my hair back with a little bit of that Got To Be Glue gel. I'm about to go ahead and pop on a wig cap. And to finesse, honey, because I got a little bit of hair out the back, I'm literally just gonna tuck it right in that wig cap. We ain't got time today, child. We ain't got time today. Now, I am gonna put a little bit more of this Got To Be Glue gel on my little sideburn areas. I feel like the sideburns is what separates a good install from a great install. And we in a rush, baby, but we ain't trying to look crazy now. I'm just gonna take my scissors and trim off this excess lace that's like right behind the sideburns so I can see if the wig is laying flat on my head. Okay, so just like I thought, the wig is pretty much fitting like a glove. I'm gonna trim a little bit of this excess lace off the front just so I can see a little bit better. And then we can get into trimming the sideburns. I wanna make sure it's centered first because sometimes I'll trim off of one side only and then it'll kind of have my wig sitting funny. And it's fitting beautifully. I gotta trim off a little bit of lace on either side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that before we lay the lace down. Lace installs for me go a lot faster when I trim the lace first, and I feel like the lace gets a little bit more melted. Okay, so now that it's laying super flat from side to side, I'm also gonna pluck this hair right here out because my hairline is kind of circular in the middle, so I just kind of take a little bit of this hair off to bring it back a little bit. And I'm trimming the lace in a jagged pattern, kind of backwards and forwards in front of the hairline. You want to leave a little extra lace. But y'all know the vibes, y'all know. If you here, you know. Normally, when I get a new wig, I feel the urge to wash it. But with these wigs, they literally come like super clean, curled, and ready to go. So it's perfect for a special occasion or if you're not that comfortable with installing your wigs yet because it's really, really beginner friendly. So if I was suggesting a wig to a beginner, this would definitely be the one. Now I'm gonna go in with my Wonder Lace Even Spray and I'm gonna spray on top in the center and under on the sides for a little extra hold. I'm gonna use the clips that they gave me to clip the, you know, the little hairs back. Get them out the way, honey. Whoop. All right, let's do it. Okay, so now we have everything laid exactly where we want it. I'm gonna go ahead and put an elastic band on top and change into my clothes for the gym real quick because like I said, baby, I got to go. All right, BRB. So I took off the elastic band and this is what she's giving. The lace is laid. I'm gonna come back a little bit later and show you guys like the after with my makeup done and everything. But this wig looking like this straight out of the box is literally insane. I'm about to go to the gym and I will see you guys when I get back. I'm back. I did a little bit of a beat because I was looking crazy earlier, but you know, I had a little time today to get myself together, honey. So I'm probably gonna keep this wig on for like the rest of the day. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tweak it a little bit. Of course, she's cute. She did what she had to do straight out of the bag. It's giving very much weather girl, very much first lady, and I'm into it. But I think I want to tweak the part a little bit. I'm gonna add a teensers of baby hair, and we're gonna like refresh the curls a little bit because, like I said, I had to run some errands, and baby, she been through a couple of things. So what should we do first? First, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this part because that's what's sending me, okay? That's what's sending me. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little edge brush that they sent with the hair. It's so cute, and it low-key feel a little luxurious. Like, it has a little bit of weight to it. It feels a little bit more expensive than the ones that I buy from the beauty supply store. And I like this little detail on it. And my best friend here, girl, so we might be chatting a little bit, so don't mind me. Okay, so this is the finished look with the part adjusted a little bit, some fresher curls. What do you guys think? Let me show y'all the back. I feel like this hair look like I got secrets and I handle business, okay?
It's giving Olivia Pope.
Yeah.
It's handled. Yes.
That's what it's giving.
Yeah, it is.
I don't have to deal with this. I am gone. I love it. This is some shit up with which I will not put. Okay. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to Hairvivi for working with me. All the information about the hair will be down below in the description bar, as well as a $30 off coupon code that'll be available at any time. So if you see this video a little bit later, it still works, girl. Go ahead and pick her up. Tag me on Instagram if you end up wearing it because I want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you, babes. Bye. Yeah, I like it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's. Why did I clap? It's gonna be so loud when I edit. I hope that.
You gotta put the bloopers in there.
I'm gonna do that. Yeah.
You got to. Like,
yeah. Ghetto. Can't stop clapping. Cause first of all.